Hey guys, so this is a staircase automation light. As you can see, the steps have lights on it. So this kind of lighting system is where when you get close to the step or in the process of you stepping on your staircase, the light automatically on its own. So it senses your presence or the presence of any animate object around it and it turns up. So this is it. I was walking through the steps and as you can see, the lights were turning on their own as I was stepping on the step. So this is the connection box. So this was the process of me running it, connecting it and installing it as well inside. So this is the process. And look at this one is already installed in it, in the profile. So this is how this automation staircase light is being installed. So this job was done in one of my clients' house. So though we are not yet done with it anyway. So I'm just taking you on the process of how this is being done. So this is it. Just running the connection or throughout, running the connection. And as you can see, the wires are different. This is it. It's a LED light. And it's a DC light, not an AC light. It's a DC light. So it comes with 24 volt. This one comes with 24 volt. And this is it. So after connecting it, so this is its outcome. This is its outcome. So look at how the light is turning on its own. So this is it. Please, if you're watching this video, what you have to do is just comment, like, and share. Please help share the video. And that's the sense over there. So thank you for watching. And make sure you like, share, and comment your thoughts on this video. Most importantly, share the video, please. Thank you very much.